mutton in cooker. Cooker wala mutton. Need not switch on your stove right now. 4 to 5 thinly sliced onions. Now we will make a paste. A coarse paste of ginger, garlic and green chili. I have taken 1 kg of mutton. That's lamb. 1 cup of curd. 1 spoon cumin powder. 1 spoon red chili powder. 3/4 spoon turmeric powder. 1 spoon coriander powder. This is an easy recipe for them. Add 2 spoon of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Now add 4 to 5 black pepper, 1 black cardamom, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, 2 green cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves, mace, nutmeg. That helps the lamb to get softened easier. Now I'll be putting the mustard oil in this. But you would need to first remove the pungent smell of your mustard oil. For that, take a pan, take the mustard oil, heat it up. As you see, the mustard oil has heat up. Now add little salt to it to kill the pungent smell of the oil. Now we'll add this oil to our mutton. I have left the salt in the pan only. Now we will be adding 1 spoon of salt, or as you wish to put. Give it a good stir once so that all of them get mixed up properly. Now I have stirred it. Give 1 whistle on high flame and then switch off the gas. As you see, the whistle has come. Now switch off the flame. Let it rest for 10 minutes and then we'll see. Let's check the mutton. Just mix it well and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes in this water only. Add 1 spoon of garam masala. Add 2 spoons of meat masala. You can get it easily in the market. We have not added any water to the dish. Onions have turned into paste. Time to add 2 cups of boiling water. Give it a stir. Add a little more water. If you want a proper gravy in your mutton. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add little salt as you added water to it. Add little meat masala on top. Few pinches of garam masala. As you see, the boils have started coming. Now give 3 whistles on medium flame. Let's check our mutton now. The lamb. Perfect. See the color? Perfectly done. Fresh coriander leaves. Few fenugreek leaves. Roasted fenugreek leaves. Mix it well. Whenever you're cooking your protein, whether it's chicken or mutton or any protein, add boiling water to the dish. Perfect mutton. Now let's do the plating. Our cooker mutton is ready to serve.